Why I just can't love Linux Mint. An honest take for power users. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing something personal. Why, despite multiple honest tries, Linux Mint and I just don't click. This isn't a hit piece. Linux Mint is absolutely one of the best distributions out there for millions of users. But if you are a tinkerer, a customization enthusiast, or someone chasing a fresh daily computing experience, it might not be the perfect fit. Why? Let's break it down. Linux Mint, the reliable Windows replacement. Linux Mint, based on Ubuntu LTS, shines as a stable, user friendly operating system. It offers a familiar desktop layout reminiscent of older Windows versions, making the switch from Windows incredibly smooth. Out of the box, it just works with excellent hardware support, a polished software manager, time shift for backups, and careful update handling that grades packages by stability. For beginners or anyone wanting reliability without hassle, it's fantastic. Many long-time users in 2026 still praise it for low maintenance, comfort on older hardware, and respecting user control better than Windows 11. But here is where our paths diverge. I'm looking for an experience, not just a tool. I don't use my computer only as a tool. I spend hours every day in front of it. And I want that time to feel exciting and tailored for me. Linux Mint excels at being a solid, dependable OS. But it feels more like substance over style. It replicates a traditional desktop metaphor very well, perhaps a bit too well. It can feel like you are bringing your old Windows habits to a new operating system instead of embracing something new. I crave a desktop that feels alive, modern, and adaptable. Let's talk about the customization, where Linux Mint feels limited. This is my biggest issue. Linux Mint offers three main editions: the Cinnamon, the flagship, most polished, Matte, and Xfce. All follows a similar traditional layout with a panel at the bottom, start menu, and a system tray. While you can tweak themes, applets like cinnamon spices, and some settings, it doesn't match the flexibility of other environments. For example, KDE Plasma stands out as a customization king. It offers hundreds of settings, widgets, key-in scripts, activities for context-based workflows, and near endless theming possibilities. You can transform it completely, from minimal to flashy, without needing many extensions. The other is GNOME on Ubuntu or Fedora. Provides a modern gesture-friendly workflow with GNOME tweaks and extensions. It becomes highly customizable, though in a different, more minimalist way. Many people successfully install KDE Plasma on top of Mint for more power, but it's not officially supported anymore and can lead to minor inconsistencies. For the best experience, dedicated distros like KDE Neon, Garuda, or Fedora KDE often feel smoother. As a power user, I want deep control, robust extension systems, modern widgets, powerful multitasking, and easy theme mixing. Mint has guardrails that feel restrictive compared to what Plasma or a well extended GNOME offers. Let's talk about the stability versus cutting edge. Different priorities. Linux Mint prioritizes rock solid stability through its Ubuntu LTS space. This is perfect for production environments or users who hate breakage. Updates are conservative and reliable. I prefer living on the edge. I enjoy rolling release models like Arch or Garuda, or frequent update distros like Fedora, where new software, kernels, and features arrive faster, while Flatpaks and app images help with newer apps on Mint. I prefer well integrated repository packages for a cleaner system. So, who should use Linux Mint? If you are coming from Windows, value simplicity, need maximum stability, or want minimal tinkering, Linux Mint is excellent. It's still one of the top recommendations for a reason and remains a daily driver favorite for many in 2026. But if you are a power user who wants extreme customization and also the modern desktop paradigms, faster access to a new technology, then explore alternatives like Fedora KDE, Garuda Linux, Endeavour OS, or Pop OS with GNOME extensions. Now, final thoughts. Find the distro that fits you. Linux' greatest strength is choice. Not every highly praised distros will click with everyone. And that's okay. Linux Mint serves its target audience brilliantly. But I am seeking something different. An operating system that feels like my creation. Have you had a similar experience with Linux Mint or any other distro? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped, consider liking and subscribing for more Linux discussions. I'll see you in the next one. Happy computing!